Student, this is the third part of the lesson, Nationalism in India History. In this third part, we have to discuss here differing stands with the movements. Page number 59 of your textbook. Different stand within the movement. So here the joint movements of non-cooperation Khilafat was started January 1921. Means this one was the joint movement where Gandhiji was waiting for the mass movement and this movement started with that is non-cooperation and Khilafat. Khilafat, it was the movement of the Muslim community. Several social groups of that time came forward and participated in the movement with their own specific goal. The binding force behind this was the civil, who was called the Swaraj, and term means different things to different people. Means idea of Swaraj that was different. Thought means goal that was getting the freedom, but how to achieve the freedom, the ideas of getting the freedom, they were different. That is, community to community, they were different. So come to the 2.1, movements in town. Means in this movement, non-cooperation movements, movements that in the town that was differ from the countryside. So here in 2.1 we will discuss the movement in towns. This movement got its first participant in the form of middle class of the town and cities. Means they got, for this movement, first participant in the form of middle class of the town and cities. They involved in this movement. Thousands of students in this left government controlled school and colleges. Means they left the school and colleges belonging where they belonging to the, that is, that were government schools and colleges. Even though headmasters and teachers resigned for supporting this movement, and lawyer gave up their legal practices. Means they left or they gave up their legal practices, and council elections were boycotted in the most provinces except Madras, where the Justice Party and the party of non-Brahmanas felt that entering council was one of the way gaining some power, something that usually only Brahman had access to. So यहाँ means different people, they supported for this movement in different ways. Student, teachers, lawyers, they reacted in different ways. And even though they boycotted on the election of the provinces, except which province? Madras. So why they involved in the election of council, Madras presidency, where Justice Party was there, and the party of non-Brahmins. This Justice Party, that was non-Brahmins party. And what was the idea of this party behind joining this election? They felt that entering in council, यदि हम council में enter करते हैं तो was one of the way for getting power, यही कुछ power मिलने का या पावर गेन करने का, मीन्स दैट वुड बी द वन ऑफ द वे बाय एंटरिंग in this election, something that usually only Brahmanas had access to. Then the economic exploitation of the Indians was the first target. Economic exploitation of Indians was the first target of non-cooperation movement. non-cooperation movement का जो टारगेट था वो क्या था? इकोनॉमिक एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, which were more dramatic in effects. In this, foreign goods were boycotted, liquor shop picketed, and foreign cloth burned in huge bonfire. In this movement that was non-cooperation movement. So how different people they supported in or contributed in this movement, just we have seen. And apart from that, base of this dissatisfaction was economic exploitation, shoshan, or for in this movement people, what they done, they boycotted foreign goods which were coming from the England, and liquor shops picketed, and then foreign cloth burned in the huge fire, means they refused to wear the foreign cloth which were coming from the Britain. The import of the foreign cloth halt between 1921 and 1922, means इस पीरियड में 21 and 22 इस पीरियड में फॉरेन क्लॉथ दैट हॉल्ट मीन्स वो वैसे ही था, रुका हुआ, वैल्यू ड्रॉपिंग फ्रॉम ₹102 crore to 57 crore, मीन्स नियर अबाउट हाफ of the percentage that foreign cloth halt, means कम हुआ, डिक्लाइन हुआ for importing in India, because there was no demand, because people were inspired. In many places merchant and traders refused to trade in the foreign goods. जो मर्चेंट थे, अलग अलग प्लेसेस के मर्चेंट थे या ट्रेडर्स थे, उन्होंने रिफ्यूज़ किया फॉर व्हाट? टू ट्रेड द फॉरेन गुड्स और फिनांस फॉरेन ट्रेड. फॉरेन गुड्स के लिए या फाइनेंस करने के लिए इन्होंने रिफ्यूज़ किया, ट्रेडर्स ने. एज द बॉयकॉट मूवमेंट स्टॉप एंड पीपल began discarding cloth and wearing only Indian one, then production of Indian textile mill and the handloom went up. Means when they refuse, Indian citizens refused to wear or use the imported cloth, then they started begin for using the Indian textile mill and handloom that went up. Means this one was the effect of this movement. They refused foreign goods, textile, and they started consumption using the Indian goods. The term and the condition of the movement, term and condition of the movement generally became non-attractive to the city people. Thus it slowed down for the variety of reason. Means term and condition is movement के term and condition that gradually became non-attractive, means people started not taking the interest or not attractive related to the city. Thus it slowed down for the variety of reason, means this movement that slowed down and reason behind it for slowing down this movement, there were different or variety of reasons. In this reason, khadi cloth was often more expensive than the mass produced milk cloth, and poor people could not afford to buy it. So one of the reason was handmade khadi, handloom, that was more expensive comparing to the machine made production from the Britain. Production that was large scale in the Britain, so they cuts the price, and as comparing to the khadi or handloom production of India, textile production, that was imported cloth, they were very less expensive, or expenditure that was less for buying this, means they were not much costly just like khadi, because that was machine made production and large scale production automatic cuts the price. How then could they boycott milk cloth for too long? Similarly, the boycott of British institution posed a problem for the movement to be successful. Alternative Indian institutions had to be set up so that they could be used in place of the British one. They were slow to come up, so students and teachers began trickling back to the government school, and lawyers joined back work in the government courts. Means when the effect that came down of this movement, non-cooperation movements, because Indian citizen had no other alternative. If the student, college going student, school going student, if they they left for the schools and colleges, because they belonging to the government, British government, but alternative was not there. Our institutions, educational institutions were not there. Even lawyer, they left their practices, but again they started going because having no alternative. So in this way, this movement that came down in the urban areas. Then come to the 2.2, rebellion in countryside. Rebellion in countryside. Rebellion means sangharsh, protest, uthav, and that is in countryside, means rural area. Non-cooperation movement of city dwellers now spread into the countryside, means सिटी की ये जो नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट वो सिटी में कम हुई, एंड देन दैट केम इनटू द कंट्री साइड इन रूरल एरियाज ऑफ इंडिया. It drew into its fold the struggle of peasant and tribal, which were developing in the different parts of India in the year after the war. So that is word was there, picket shop in this movement in urban areas, shop, liquor shop picketed. So what is the meaning of the picket? A form of demonstration of the protest, by which people block the entrance to shop, factory or offices, means closing down. In simple word, closing down, they closed liquor shop. Picket means closing. So we were discussing about the rebellion in countryside, means urban movement of this non-cooperation calmed down, and that spread into the countryside. Then peasant revolt became common. Peasant farmers revolt that became common because of the variety of reason. peasant का farmers का revolt, संघर्ष, protest that became very common, and some reasons were there behind this peasant revolt, especially rural India. The main cause being high tax, main reason of this revolt that was imposing high tax on the peasant and high rent of the landlord or talukdar. Means at that time talukdar landlord had used to or that they had lot of land and the small peasant had to cultivate for getting the wages on that land. So that was the system. So they used to hire a high rent for the cultivation on small peasant. So in Awadh, it is the example of Awadh. Awadh, it is the one of the region in India. Peasants were led by Baba Ramchandra. They were led by the Baba Ramchandra, a sannyasi. He was a sannyasi who had earlier been to Fiji. Fiji, it is one of the island where this Baba Ramchandra, he was living as an indentured laborers. Indenture means bonded labor. कहाँ के? Fiji. Fiji, it is one of the island. It is not in India. The movement here was against the talukdar and landlord because of because of imposing high rent of the land, and who demanded from the peasant exorbitant means excessive high rent and variety of other cases. Peasant had to do beggar and work at landlord farm without any payment. Means this one was the economic exploitation of this peasant. Most of the earning that was going to the to whom? Landlord, and peasant had to cultivate for as a tenant, and they had no security. As a tenant, they had no security of tenure. Tenure means span. Being regularly evicted. Evicted means to move out. Regularly evicted so that they could acquire. So they could acquire no right over the leased land. Lease means particular means ownership as per the particular period. A particular land means owner is owner of the land that gives their land. They used to give their land on which base? Lease. Lease means ownership for the particular time period. So peasant the peasant movement demanded reduction of revenue. So what was the demand? What were the demand of this peasant? That demanded reduction of revenue, abolition of beggar, then abolition of beggar means these were some demands of the peasant for the revolt, and social boycott of the oppressive landlords. So whatever landlords were there, they were very oppressive and they have to be socially boycott. These were the demands of peasant from the countryside, especially here example given of the Awadh. In many places, Nai Dhobi Bandh were organized. By the panchayat to deprive landlord of the services of even barbers and the washermen. In June 1920, Jawaharlal Nehru began going around the villages in Awadh. In 1920, Jawaharlal Nehru began going around to the villages in Awadh, talking to the villagers and trying to understand their grievances. Grievances means complaints. So by October, Aut Kisan Sabha was set up, headed by the Jawaharlal Nehru. And what was the output for visiting June 1920 Jawaharlal Nehru? They formed or set up Aut Kisan Sabha. Baba Ramchand and few others within a month, over 300 branches had been set up in the villages around the region. और ये जो औत किसान सभा, इसके जो ब्रांचेस थे 300, नियर अबाउट 300 branches had been set up by whom? Ramchandra and his other few followers. So, when the non-cooperation movement began to following years, the effect of Congress was integrate. Integrate means grow. Integrate the Awadh peasant struggle into the wider struggle, means that Awadh struggle of this peasant for having some demand, this struggle changed into the wider struggle, means mass movement that became of this Awadh struggle. Peasant movement, however, developed in the form that the Congress leadership was unhappy with. As the movement spread in 1921, the houses of the talukdar and the merchants were attacked. जैसे ही मूवमेंट 1920 में स्प्रेड हुई, तो इफेक्ट्स ऑफ दिस मूवमेंट दे वेर हाउसेस ऑफ द तालुकदार and merchant, because they were exploitive or repressive movements were there of this talukdar and merchants. So these peasants started attacking on their houses, even though bazaars were looted and grain hoards were taken over, because for running movement they require food grain, and they food grain hoard were taken over. In many places, local leaders told peasants that Gandhiji had declared that no taxes would be paid and land was to be redistributed among the poor. So Gandhiji appealed, or Gandhiji's demand for this movement, that was because means no taxes were to be paid, means taxes nahi dena, and land that was to be distributed among the poor people from the landlord. The name of Mahatma was being involved in the sanction all actions and aspiration. मीन्स गांधी जी जो थे, गांधी जी का नाम लेकर लोग अपनी सारी कार्रवाइयाँ और आकांक्षाओं को सही ठहरा रहे थे. मीन्स दे वेर इंस्पायर्ड. दे इंस्पायर फॉर द ऑफ द थॉट्स ऑफ महात्मा गांधी. Then the idea of Swaraj is propagated by M.K. Gandhi was interpreted altogether in her manner by the tribal peasant living in the forest areas in the Gudem Hill of the Andhra Pradesh. This is one of the another example. Gudem Hill in the of this Andhra Pradesh. For the instance, a militant guerrilla movement spread in the early 1920s. Which movement spread here? Guerrilla movement. Where? Gudem Hills of the Andhra Pradesh. Not a struggle that Congress could approve. जो स्ट्रगल को कांग्रेस ने अप्रूवल नहीं दिया था. मीन्स डिफरेंट कम्युनिटी और डिफरेंट community, they had different ideas and they reacted in different ways. So here, as in other forest region, the colonial government had closed large forest areas. Colonial government had closed large forest areas, preventing people from entering the forest to graze their cattle. Means especially these people were tribal people, and as you know, tribal people survival totally that depends upon forest, and colonial government restricted for getting the entry up to this tribal, and that is why they started their movement against the Britishers. They prevented for entering the forest with their cattle and to collect the fuel wood and fruits. These were the because all these collecting fuel wood and fruits, grazing their cattle, they were dependent on the forest, and Britishers, they what they done? Britishers, they prevented or restricted for entering in the forest, and that is why they became very aggressive, this tribal people, and they joined this movement. This enrage means motivate here, or aggressive, because of aggressiveness they motivated. This enraged the hill people. Not only were their livelihoods affected, but they felt that their traditional rights were being denied. So they hurt this Gudem Hills people. They hurt. Reason behind it, that was their traditional right. That is their traditional right to collect the material from the forest, and they bring restrictions, means their sentiments or self, that was the hurt for their self respect for denying entering in the forest. When the movement began forcing them to contribute Baker for the road building, or hill people revolted. Government, they wanted to build the infrastructure, set up the infrastructure for their own benefit, for the trading, and for this purpose they use these people, tribal people, or these poor people for the as a way for labor, for this their amenities which they wanted to set up, road building, etc. The person who came to lead them was interesting figure, and for this movement, who was the interesting figure? That was the interesting figure whose name was Alluri Sitaram Raju. Alluri Sitaram Raju claimed that had been variety of special power. So here, who was the leader of this movement? That is Allura Sitaram Raju claimed that he had a variety of special powers. He could make correct astrological prediction and heal people, and he could survive even bullet shot. Means this one was the speciality, or he was famous for these things. It is about whom? That is Alluri Sitaram Raju. And rebelled proclaimed that he was an incarnation of the God. Means thought was there among these people. They accepted, these tribal people accepted him as a leader. Here they use the word that is incarnation. Incarnation means what? Process of healing of wound. Means उन्होंने he is just like the representative of God, या God का अवतार जिसे कहते हैं. So it was the belief, this one was the belief of tribal people related to the Alluri Sitaram Raju. Even though they were discussing, or their belief was that even could survive even they could survive even bullet shot, and captivated by the Raju, the rebel, proclaimed that he was incarnation of the God. So captivated means attract attention or interest. The greater of Mahatma Gandhi said that he was inspired by the non-cooperation movement. This Raju Sitaram, he was inspired of this Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement, and persuade the people. Persuade means changing the minds of people. Persuade people to wear khadi. Khadi means handmade textile, and give up the drinking. He advised of his people, but at the same time he asserted that India could be liberated. He asserted that India could be liberated only by the use of force and not non-violence. Means he was the follower of Mahatma Gandhi, inspired the idea non-cooperation of this Mahatma Gandhi, but still his belief was that India could be liberated. India liberal हो सकता है, liberty मिल सकती only by using what? Force and not non-violence. Then the Guden rebel attacked the police station, attempt to kill the British official, and carried on the guerrilla warfare for achieving the Swaraj. Raju was captured, who was the leader of this tribal people, and he executed in 1924, and over the time became the folk hero, and over time he became the folk hero of this people. So this is about the village rebellion in countryside, which we have seen about the peasant of Awadh and another of the tribal people, that is rebel of this Gudem Hill, Andhra Pradesh, whose leader was interesting figure Alluri Sitaram, and finally he executed in 1924. So here we are going to end of this chapter, end of this part, that we what we have seen in this part, movement in town, how they inspire and how this movement that decreased or calmed down, and how it started or inspired in the countryside, and two incidents we have seen. So this is the end of this part. Thank you student.